Hello guys, welcome to the channel Online Shopper, where I review stuff from AliExpress that I bought. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a pen that I bought from this company on AliExpress. It's baseus or baseus, I'm not quite sure. I've never bought from this company before, nor have I been paid. As you will see here, the picture that I put up, I did buy it online. I paid full price. I bought it for my tablet because I do editing on my tablet or phone sometime, and I wanted a pen that can do that. So this is the one I decided, and it has 2 points. At the time I did not pay attention to that, so I did not realize it had 2 points, which is quite good. You can see one of the tip is a traditional pen for writing, and this one here, it's going to be the soft gel tip for touching touch screens, your phone, your tablet. As you can see, it says Captive Stylus Pen double using stylus and soft gel top. I guess this is what they're referring to, soft gel top. The packaging is quite nice. You can see they're showing that you can write on books, on paper, and you can use it on your phone or tablet. Yeah, this is what the box look like. I bought it like 2 months ago and I never used it, and that's why I just like shopping online. So today I decided I'm going to do a review video. So here goes. I'm going to open it. I did cut right here so it can come out easy. Let's go get my inner Hulk. There goes. Wow, I must say it looks really good. It's a nice metallic look, or silver. As you can see, let me just get the focus in for you guys. It's quite nice. It looks much more expensive than I paid for it. This is one tip. Yeah, it got a little bit of ink, and this is the other side. Yep, yes, that's the touchpad, and there is a really nice soft rubber. It gives it a really premium feel, and it's not light either. It's not heavy, but it's not light. The weight is equally balanced, and we're going to test it and see how well it works. Okay, so I have my tablet here to do some testing to see how it works. Let's open up my camera up. One touch, pretty good. Closes. It works pretty good. Feel more. Yep. It's quite responsive. I think I didn't touch well. Yeah. Kind master. Yep. Yep. It's working pretty good. It's quite responsive. Yes, I was trying to do some editing earlier, and I think I would be using this pen to edit my stuff now. Yep, looks pretty good. It moves. Yeah, I can move it freely with this. It gives you a really nice option for editing videos if you like, or just a pen. And the touch is quite good. I'm actually surprised at how good the quality is. So let's try a normal pen. See how it works. Pay no attention to this case. I had it for a few years. This is a Tab S Pro Samsung, and it's really good. I have it for like, I believe 4 years now. Never had any issues, and works really fast still. I just have a lot of stuff on it that I need to delete. So let's see how it writes. Yep. I think writing on the table, it's missing some spots, but it's working pretty well. It's quite smooth. So now to mention one con about this pen, or in other words, one thing that I don't like about it, it doesn't have like a traditional hook on the pen where you can stick it on your pocket or on the side of something. A hook, like a traditional hook that a normal pen has. It has it right here. I guess it would work still. It looks pretty short for my liking, but it's not a deal breaker. I would buy this pen any day of the week for a friend or for myself again. For the little usage that I did, I really like it, and the quality is exceptional for the price point. And one thing I forgot to mention, there is a removable tip that it came with that you can change. As you can see, it's right here. There it goes. So I guess you pull this one out. Let's see. Yep, you just take it out, and you can change it with this one, and you just put it back in like that. So it's mainly this part you're going to be touching with the tablet, and I can tell you it looks awkward. I did not expect this part on top here, but it works really well. I'm actually surprised how the touch is smooth and nice. So thank you guys for stopping by. Stay tuned to the channel where I'll be reviewing some more stuff that I bought from AliExpress over the years, and stuff that I bought online, and maybe we'll learn some shopping hacks, how I got some stuff cheaper, how I didn't pay for stuff. Okay, have fun, have a good day, bye.